Hello everyone, CAT 2025 slot 1 is over and the review is that the paper was pretty moderate. It was not very difficult, it was not very easy. So moderate to difficult level के बीच में ये paper था. Now if we talk about VARC में para jumbles is back. You had para jumbles, you had para completion, you had para summary, you had everything. Plus you had your 4 RCs. Out of the 4 RCs, a couple of RCs were pretty much doable. And from the VA section, the para summary, para completion was manageable, but para jumbles थोड़ा सा tricky था, थोड़ा सा difficult था. Now, but overall VARC का section was manageable. मतलब easy था, इतना difficult नहीं था. मतलब a lot of students could solve the VARC section properly. Now the toughest section was DILR. Now a lot of students could manage only one set in DILR. To as many students I've spoken to, one set कर पाए हैं. कुछ बच्चे 1.5 set कर पाए, कुछ बच्चे 2 sets कर पाए. But the overall feedback was there were sets on arrangements, scheduling, routes and networks. Then there was a hexagonal table called as a web graph or a radar graph, जो manageable था. But 1 to 1.5 set most of the people were able to solve because it was on the heavy side. Now as far as quant is concerned, quant was primarily dominated by arithmetic and algebra both. Arithmetic में से you name it, simple compound interest, time and distance, time and work, allocations, सब पे questions आए थे, ratios पे question थे. As far as algebra is concerned, quadratic equation, special equation, इन सब पे questions आए थे. तो around 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 questions algebra पे थे. Majority chunk was on arithmetic. A couple of questions were there on geometry, one on coordinate geometry, one on number systems was also there. तो हार्डकोर अपना अरिथमेटिक और अलजेब्रा ने डोमिनेट किया हुआ सेक्शन था. बट इट वाज नॉट ऑन अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट साइड. सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस वर लेंथी बट दे वर मैनेजेबल. ठीक है, सो अ गुड स्टूडेंट शुड बी एबल टू सॉल्व अराउंड 10 to 12 क्वेश्चंस इन क्वांट. DILR अगर 1.5 to 2 सेट्स किया है तो इट्स फैंटास्टिक. अदरवाइज अगर आपका 1 set to 1.5 set भी अच्छे से हुआ है तो दैट इज गुड. VARC around 10 to 12 questions were manageable. So it is not as easy as CAT 24. It is slightly heavier than CAT 24, but it is not as difficult as CAT 23 also. So it is somewhere between CAT 23 and 24. So this was the feedback for slot 1 of CAT 2025. Now I wish you all the best for all the slot 2 and slot 3 students. Just go ahead, do well, and I'm sure you'll rock the exam. All the best.